Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about the chain of a mountain bike. Subscribe, like, and share if you find this video helpful. Many friends mention that after using the mountain bike for a while, or after cycling for some time, they notice that the bike will suddenly get stuck at a certain point during the ride and tends to wobble, almost as if there's a problem with the gears. However, this kind of issue often arises because you may want to check the chain and the freewheel. The chances of problems with the freewheel are relatively small, while the chain is much more likely to have issues. This is because many people do not maintain their bike's chain after purchasing it. Initially, each segment of the chain is quite flexible and will immediately spring back when released. The problem arises when dirt or debris gets into the chain. If the chain becomes stuck and does not spring back, it will likely cause the issues described earlier, where it gets stuck at a certain point and wobbles. If you want to see if this is the problem, you can check by reversing the crankset while the bike is stationary. If the chain jumps at a certain point, take note of that segment of the chain. For example, if it's this link, try flexing it, and then see if it springs back easily. If it doesn't spring back easily, that indicates an issue. You could buy a carburetor cleaner at a hardware store to clean it. First, clean it up, and then use a flat screwdriver to widen the gap a bit, and flex it again to help lubricate it. After applying a maintenance oil for chains, check if it springs back easily after that. If so, then there shouldn't be any problem. For anyone encountering similar issues, you might want to give this a try. I have come across many cases where people don't take care of their bikes, especially the chain. Sometimes, using high viscosity oils can attract dust and dirt, resulting in heavy sludge, which leads to a series of deformities and problems that stem from inadequate maintenance. Please take note of this. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.